Aarbakke is a highly digitalized company. We have what we call a smart factory initiative, which is Industry 4.0 in our context. The purpose of connecting everything is to be able to improve and to learn from our own behavior. We need to put all the information, all the data into context, because if you have contextualized data, then you can harvest value from it. If the data stands alone in a silo, it's basically worthless.
We really like the way Aarbakke thinks about technology and how they have organized their own IT systems. They have invested in an integration platform, and they also use a lot of time on the Smart Factory initiative, using data to take the right decisions and affecting the business in a best possible way.
ERP system is a key component in running a factory like Aarbakke. We need to have extensive support of data extraction from all our systems, such as tool management, Smart Factory and other solutions. And we connect everything through Azure technologies and APIs. Currently we are in a gap fit process with an extensive workshop to make sure we have attention to all the small details. We need to make sure that everything is covered and ready before we go live.
This is a very challenging project, both for us in RamBase and also for the customer. It's a strict timeline. We are doing it quite fast. It also a lot of details that needs to be figured out and needs to be put in the right place.
We don't expect RamBase to solve all our IT needs, but we expect RamBase to be a good fit for our future development and improvements and continuous digitalization program. We think that RamBase is a future-proof system for Aarbakke.